Good morning, students. So now let us finish this topic, completion of incomplete sentences. So in the previous lecture, we had discussed the type 1 completion of sentences. So the type 1 was when you fill in a single word in the blank space and make that sentence complete. Now we'll start with type 2. So completion of sentences with phrases. So some sentences require a phrase to make them complete. So dekho. So what is a phrase? Phrase is simply a group of words that makes sense. Okay, so koi bhi jis tarah of great value. I have a watch of great value. Now of great value is a phrase. It is a group of words and it has a meaning. So अपना verb नहीं है उदा, but it is a group of words जिदा की अर्थ बनता है. So anyhow देखो इन्हों और so let us now start. So इदा अपना verb नहीं होएगा. Okay, so देखो इन्हों first is she did not know. क्लियर हुने दे विच आपां phrase fill करना है. So आपां इन्हों किद्दां fill करांगे? She did not know what to say. Okay, she did not know what to say. She did not know what to say. Next देखो, dash is not an easy job. Clear? So हुन आपां first दे विच we had filled in a noun phrase. So noun phrase it's doing the work of an object in this sentence. So इसी तरह next देखो, is not an easy job. Okay, so इत्थे तुसीं इन्हां नूं किद्दां करोगे? So making a speech is not an easy job. So here the this phrase is again a noun phrase. It is doing the work of a subject here. ऊपर वाले दे विच की सीगा? It was in the place of the object. देखो, making a speech is not an easy job. Next देखो, he was a man. Okay, हुन इत्थे you have to use a phrase of great intellect. Okay, so anything that makes sense onu use karo. So he was a man of great intellect. देखो ना, he was a man of great intellect. Next देखो, next is beauty is. Okay, so how will you complete this sentence? Beauty is a 9 days wonder. Means beauty is short lived. Beauty is a 9 days wonder. So next देखो, reach here. So anything that makes, I have missed one. देखो sentence number 5. They created something beautiful in कितना complete करोगे? In a short time. ठीक है, so ऐदा इन्हों बना लिया. In a short time. They created something beautiful in a short time. In no time भी कर सकते हो. So again you have made this sentence complete with the help of a phrase. Next देखो, reach here in time. Reach here in time. Okay. They could not reach in time. Again use a phrase that makes sense. They could not reach in time बिकॉज ऑफ फॉग कर सकते हो, ड्यू टू फॉग कर सकते हो, ड्यू टू बैड वेदर लिख सकते हो. सो it is a phrase only. Man does not live by bread alone. Man does not live by bread alone. So now next देखो completion of sentences with clauses. So clauses ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ? Clauses simply ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ it is again a group of words that has its own subject and predicate. ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਾर्ट ਬਣ ਜਾਵੇ ਇੱਕ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਦਾ. ਸੋ ਕੀ ਆਏਗਾ? that. So again noun clause ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. that he is dishonest cannot be believed. that he is dishonest cannot be believed. So पूरा एक पार्ट बना लिया जिदा कि अपना सब्जेक्ट भी है, अपना पूरा वर्ब भी है. नेक्स्ट देखो cannot be true. again so how will you complete this? that he alone is responsible cannot be true. that he alone is responsible cannot be true. next देखो I want to say. again तुसी इत्थे so in the first two sentences we had used a noun clause. it was in the place of the subject only. so is it next देखो I want to say that he is innocent. next I have met the girl who stood first. so a adjective clause है, who stood first in the examination. okay, so in this way you have completed it. he was a man who won a lottery. कर लो, who won the lottery. who won a lottery is also correct. he was a man who won the lottery. next देखो dash you cannot catch the train. so here you will use an adverb clause unless you make haste. यहाँ से की लिख सकते हो? unless you hurry up you cannot catch the train. he failed because he was lazy. और की कर सकते हो? because he did not work hard. ये भी लिख सकते हो because he did not work hard. next देखो next because he worked hard. so इत्थे naturally की लिखोगे? he succeeded because he worked hard. even ये भी लिख सकते हो he was successful because he worked hard. next देखो dash that the latecomers will be fined. so it was announced, it was notified, it was announced, it was notified that the latecomers will be fined. he is poor. clear? so नेथम की आएगा थोड़ा जा try to understand. he is poor but he is hard working. he is poor but he is hard working. Next, if you waste your time you will repent. If you waste your time you will repent. Next देखो, no sooner did the bell ring than the students came in. सो इत्थे जे नो सूनर है तो फिर इत्थे नैचुरली क्या आऊगा, दैन आऊगा. नो सूनर डिड द बैल रिंग दैन द स्टूडेंट्स केम इन. वैदर परमिटिंग, जे मौसम ने, जे मौसम अच्छा होया, जे इफ वैदर परमिट्स, वैदर परमिटिंग वी शैल गो फॉर अ पिकनिक. वी शैल गो फॉर अ पिकनिक. वैदर परमिटिंग वी शैल गो फॉर अ पिकनिक. नेक्स्ट देखो, अ मैन इज नोन बाय द कंपनी ही कीप्स. सो कुछ तो है जो इस तरह ही यूज होंगे है. अ मैन इज नोन बाय द कंपनी ही कीप्स. सो नाउ आई होप you have understood this. These are very easy actually. So